So before we dive into this particular episode, the last episode, I want to make a recap on what I taught you in the previous episodes. The first episode, I taught you how to create your Facebook page and link it to your Instagram account, which is very easy, basic thing to do, but very important. Now, the second episode, I taught you how to research the right audience. I taught you different things, how to segment them, how to split them, the importance of doing all of this, and why you don't need to put all interest groups, all interest into one box, and what are the risks of doing this. How Facebook focus on starts from the first interest and goes down to the last. So you won't just come out of your head and be like, okay, fine, let's assume Facebook will start with this and this. Let's just do it this way. We want to just, maneuver. No, it doesn't work that way. Why it's important to test. Okay, now in this particular episode, I'll be focusing on ad copy, ad creative, then publishing your ad. So let's get into it. So now, if you watch the second video, you can see I'm still on that same page. Now I'll head over to Nest. So okay, I'll change the name. Remember, of course, I would have changed the name of this if I chose, if I had I have already selected a particular interest group. Okay, so I'll not change the name. So let me say this particular one. I can just say call it ad one. Like I usually create 2 to 3, ad copies, ads. You understand? But mind you, I've also noticed that sometimes Facebook channel most of your budgets on the first one too. And I see Facebook is like, okay, this is your first one. It seems like your most important, your most important ad ad set or whatever ad creative whatever. So Facebook does this. They just starts with the first one. You understand? So, but still, I usually create 2 to 3. Okay, my last campaign I did 2. Then I closed some based on bad performance. So now I will show you how to do that first with an existing post, then with starting all over again, all over like from scratch. So let's see. Head over to media. Let's check. I'm looking for. Okay, yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Create ad. So this for you to create an ad all over from scratch. You select this. I'll soon show you how to do from existing posts. Okay, so now select that single image carousel. I can also use this to test carousel. Now add your image. I have already created an image with AI. Of course, you can always use for fashion. You should have your own images. It's a little bit slow. So once it opens, let me import some of the images. The image I created. I don't know if I will still see it. Let me see. I believe one of these. Yeah, I've seen it. So I'll select one of these. Select this. Yeah, let me select. I want to show you something with this particular one, because when you optimize it, there is something you have to avoid. So that's why I selected this particular one that has 4 people. Now let's head over to Nest. Good, you can see original. Yeah, original works perfectly here. Now once you select this, you can see it crops out some people, which is bad. So you have to go for original. Now also this one, you can see it just cropped out their head, which is terrible actually. Select original too. So that's why I selected this particular for. If it was the single one, it will look okay, but this one, no. So for the optimizing, there are some, especially there are some optimization that spoils my ad actually, especially all these templates these templates and let me say these image templates and similar ones, they spoil my ads a lot. So what I usually do is come over here and switch them off. The same thing, I'll head over to others. Okay, I believe the test improvements. Okay, this test improvements, sometimes it does well, sometimes it's okay, depending on my ad creative anyway. So, but in this scenario, I just switched off. Oh, music. I usually switch music on, but I don't know why it's off here. And I've already selected done, but I usually switch on. So, but let me leave it. So this video won't be long. Now, primary test. So we are focusing on fashion, okay? So what I do, like I told you, let me show you one of the tricks I do. I'll head over to AI, ChatGPT. So what I teach my students is to create an avatar, custom avatar. And through your customer avatar, you can be able to create a very uh perfect, almost perfect ad copy that sells, that boosts your ad creative properly. So but in this video I won't be going into customer avatar because it's a long process, it's a very long process. So that's what I reserve for my students. Okay, now let me show you how you can also do that with that customer avatar. So just tell Gemini, or you can ask ChatGPT, either one. Like I said in the first video, I prefer Gemini because the English is well understandable. It doesn't sound too AI, you understand? So tell it to help me. That's not help me and create an ad copy for my for this for now. Remember in the first video I created this particular bio, so I also try to bring it to this particular ad copy and create an ad copy for the above four. Okay, for the above brand. um should I add something else? Okay, let's just see. So you can see this is not this the basic, the free Gemini that I'm using here. So you can do the same thing. Now let's see. Turn heads like a Lagos babe in floral clothes. This is nice. This is nice. Actually, this is nice. Oya Slay. This is another headline. Oya Slay. Floral clothes where your Ankara meets attitude. This is interesting actually. Yes, I would improve it, I would edit it, but this is not bad. Yeah, it's better. Now in one of the free videos, the videos I will be sharing with you, I will be sharing the link with where I'll be teaching you spying. You'll see once you can master this particular method, once you master it, you'll see how it is better than what people are doing in the ad spying when you now start spying on other people's ads. Okay, now then let's see the body. Tired of looking basic. This tired of looking basic. Floral clothes is here to spice up your wardrobe with bold florals and colors that pepper the competition. Okay, okay. Our competition, not necessarily, but okay. Our unique pieces are designed for the confident Nigerian woman who wants to look fly wherever she goes. Okay, I'll change this. I will say like who wants to look gorgeous, who wants to look bold, wants to look trendy wherever she goes. You understand? We must not sound like Americans, of course. Just use the language Nigerians understand. So the call to action is like shop the latest collection now and find your perfect outfit for Wemby chilling with. Okay. Um. Okay. This is quite okay. This is quite okay. So we just copy it. Copy everything one by one. And so which headline are we going to go for? Let's go for Oya Slay, Flora Clothes, where your Ankara is. Well, depending on what you're selling anyway. So let's go back. Okay, not that. This. And the primary text will paste shop the latest. I believe this. Right? No, that's the call to action. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think this should be the main copy. Yeah, that's the main copy. Okay. Wait. So wait. I want to remove something. Okay, yeah. Now headline we chose the second one. No, yeah. Oh yeah, Slay. Then remove this pen spark. Why? I think I think I duplicated it. Now send a message. Yes, I want them to send a message so you can be seeing what's going on your ad or how it will appear. This is the preview part. Now I'll scroll down to what's it called? What's it called? I'm looking for my call to action. I'm looking for my call to action. Where is that? Okay. Now, sorry. The reason why the call to action is this. Okay, you just select one of the inbuilt messages, inbuilt call to action because I'm focusing on engagement. You understand? So you either select. There's another other ones. Other yes. It's either select send message, apply now, and either of this. So this is the inbuilt action. Basically, why I was having issue with this is because I don't usually use engagement because I have my website and I usually lead them to my website to or my email or lead or form. You understand? So now the next thing you want to do is okay. This is my tracking. That's basically it. Actually, that's basically it about creating your ad copy and your this. So the next thing you want to do is not duplicate this particular ad. You can say click on duplicate. Once you duplicate, yeah, we just one. Once you duplicate, now get another picture you have, come back here and paste, change, maybe go back to Gemini, tell it to create another one. Now once you create the ad copy, come here and paste, create the headline, come here and paste and launch. You understand? Now change the name to something like ad copy, change it to something. Do you call it to? Good. Now once you're done, you can now publish. So the next thing I want to show you is how to do it with an existing post. Just come over to here, use the existing post. So once you click on the existing post, you come over to here, select a post, or of course create a post. Select a post. Can either select based on Facebook or Instagram. So select one of these, then once you're done, you can publish. once you're done, you can continue. And let me just select. Let me select it. Let me select from Instagram and select this. Continue. So, but in this scenario, you can't change. You can't change the, what's it called, the hard copy, anything. You can't do anything. You can't change the headline. There's no headline. There's no hard copy. It takes the copy of the post you initially made. It just takes that copy. So after everything, you just come over and publish your ad. So that's basically it for creating your ads. And that's, so I showed you how to create your campaign, your assets, and now your ads. So we have come to the end of this, the third episode, and like I promised you, I'll be giving you a bonus. So let me show you. Quickly show you the link to your bonus. This is your bonus. Just head over to. Let me zoom it. Give me a second. Good. Okay, now just head over to instructorschool.com/bns to access your bonus, where you'll be able to learn how to create a Naira prepaid ad account, which that's working. Then also how to spy on other people's ad. This is very important. These two videos, they are very important. Imagine spying on people's ads, seeing what they're doing well, see what they're doing poorly, and using it to improve yours. Now even improving, improving your ad copy from theirs too. You understand? That's how we do. So that's, like I promised you, this is your free. You don't need to pay me for this. Actually, this is what 30,000 naira. I charge people 10,000 naira for this, then 20,000 naira for this. But like I promised you, that I'll be giving it to you for free. And a word is a word, a promise is a promise. So that's why I'm giving it to you for free. So if these 3 days, these 3 episodes have brought you more value, what if I could bring you over to my premium Facebook premium masterclass? Imagine what you just grabbed from the free masterclass. Imagine what you learned. I believe your concept about advertising must have changed. What you used to do, if you have run ads before, must have changed. Okay, so imagine how it could be on my premium Facebook and Instagram ad masterclass. Imagine what you could gain. So I'll be teaching you how to, of course, properly set up your ad account. Then interest targeting. We'll be diving deep into interest targeting, where I'll be showing you how to write down your different interests, segment them, then set them on each groups. You understand? Then test them one after the other and know which ones that works. Whichever one that you see is working, you scale. Exactly the same strategy I use. I will even show you other things, including how to do a professional ad copy. Just that one I showed you earlier was just a tip of an iceberg. I will show you how to do an ad copy from your customer audience, customer avatar. Now use your avatar to create your ad copy. So let me show you exactly what you'll be getting. So you'll be learning the same method I used to build high converting interest, which will help you to super target buyers. Like this this method I use is something I've learned for a while, and it's helping me to boost my sales. Also, now I will also show you how to research uh the right audience using your phone on Instagram. And this is very important for those that doesn't have websites, that their customers are on Instagram, they just want to focus there. Good, you have no problem with this. There are 5 videos that I'll be showing you on different interests, different niches, different industries. In fact, I even go further to show you exactly the same way I research hot audiences. I'm talking about 10 different popular audiences, popular industries, including fashion, skincare, real estate, pet store, hair care, event management, digital marketing, cleaning service, interior design, and on and on. So this particular method will help you. You will never struggle with researching interest, researching audiences. And I mean it. If you ever do that, come back to me. I'll refund your money back. Then I'll go further to show you how to target rich people. Like I even showed you a little bit of how to target rich people on the second episode. But in this particular video, I'll walk you through step by step method I use to target rich people, especially if you're into real estate industry and selling any luxury products. So now also for being a member, my students, this is what I offer them. This is the advanced art class telling you about. Now I also give you a checklist. Now in this checklist you'll be able to know, okay, what you have done. Have you set up your campaign? Have you set up your ad copy? Have you set up your ad creative? Have you set up your ad interest, your interest group? Have you done all of this? You can now know what you have done. You can now know the next thing to do. And it's very important so that you won't be missing something and you won't be making a mistake along the line. So this is the checklist. Now also I went on to take out my time to create different ad copies. That is more than 50 ad copies with headlines in 10 different popular industries. This is what 70,000 naira. I mean, I took my time to do this, to provide it for you for free. Then I went on to provide a tutorial on how to become an overnight copywriter. And I'm telling you, based on what I've seen, what I've taught you, you will rarely see something like this elsewhere. So even if you have never read any copywriting book before, I'll show you how to become an overnight copywriter. Then I'll go further to welcome you into my premium private WhatsApp community. So imagine a scenario. So they said something that you are like the 5 people you associate with. Imagine if someone like me could be among those that you associate with. So that's the time I will be providing for you. I'll be providing that time to help you out in your preview, in your Facebook and Instagram advertising journey. So, and not just that, you'll be in my private WhatsApp community where you interact with other students and ask questions. They will come to you, to your rescue, if anything is going on wrong. So I like to give out bonuses, of course. I love to be generous, give out bonuses. So I'll give you a bonus on Aweber crash course. This course is very important if you are interested in lead, if you are doing into real estate, you want leads, you want to know how to take advantage of your subscribers and also make money out of them. You understand? Even increase your subscribers too. So that's what this particular crash course is around. I think 10 videos, 10 different segments of videos in this particular crash course. Very, very important. Now, another particular PDF, I think around 10 too, on Google Bard AI prompts. This is currently known as Gemini, like the Gemini used in creating the prompts on the ad copy. Now, in this particular bonus, you have 3,000 plus. That means you don't need to think again on which, okay, what should I write for this particular industry, what should I write for another industry. So in this particular in these PDFs, there are 10 industries. There is the finance and health, the fitness, the human and resource, the leadership, make money online, and even small business. So you would never start wondering, okay, what should I ask? Prompt Google Bard, or even ChatGPT, because it can also be used on ChatGPT. What am I going to ask you to do? You don't need to worry. And one thing I've noticed regarding prompts, sometimes we just tell Gemini something generic, that do this for me, and they'll give you anyhow answer. But with a proper prompt, it can give you the exact answer you are looking for. Okay, now I will even go further to give you another bonus on AI Profits Masterclass. This is very, very beneficial, especially if you just want to you need a side hustle. You need something, you want a side hustle. So in this AI prompt, I'll be showing you, in this AI prompt, you learn different techniques on whether on to how to use AI to leverage for as a freelancer, how to use AI for whether it's content writing, content designing, on, how to use AI to check, to help you on stock trading. I won't advise totally for stock trading because there are a lot of things, deep things, but at least it helps you to analyze trends and make predictions. You understand? Then, based on your own understanding, you can now go deeper into it. Now, even how to use AI for faceless YouTube channel with YouTube channel. That means if you are not interested in showing your face, you just want to use AI to run your face, your YouTube, you want to start a YouTube channel, which is actually one of the best social medias to start because of the money involved. Of course, you can even use AI to for the voice if you know your way around. So now, even for copywriting, like in the one of the videos I showed you, I will one of the videos is where I showed how to use AI for copywriting. Now this a PDF on how to do that. Then how to use AI for blogging. There is the what's it called? So there is the holistic way to use AI for blogging. Why I said holistic? Because there is the way you use it. Google will hit you. I'm telling you based on what I've seen. Google will hit you hard. So there is a holistic way to use AI for blogging. Now also AI for affiliate marketing and on and on. So these are the things you'll be getting from just this particular bonus. So you can see why this particular bonus is worth 75,000 naira, an amazing bonus. So if you are paying for all of this one by one, you'll be paying 50k for this, 65k for this, then 75k for this. In total, 190,000 naira for each, all of them. But I'll be giving to you all of them for free. Then there's something applicable to this if you are paying for each of these. I mean, if you want a premium of each of these, you paying this, each of them, you'll be paying this, which works down to 275,000 naira. Now, yes, what you'll be getting. This is the Aweber crash course. This is the BAD, the 3000 plus prompts. Now, this is the AI Profits Masterclass, which all sums down to 465,000 naira worth of bonus and classes. But I want to ask you something. Let's assume something. Let's assume you were to pay me this a particular amount of money. You were to pay me 465,000 naira. Would it be worth it? I mean, if you be able to learn master Facebook advertising, master Instagram advertising, would it be worth it? Would it be worth your time? Would it be worth your money? And once you master it, you'll be able to boost your sales. Would it be worth it? Tell me. Will it be worth it? Don't worry, you won't be paying this much, you won't be paying this. Okay, I'm just asking. Okay, will it be worth it if you were to pay this particular money? However, for staying for this class, for staying to the end of this class, I will be charging just 15,000 naira for this week. 15,000 naira. 15. You won't pay more for now for this week. So you just head over to seller.co/111k7. You can screenshot this and pay as soon as possible. And because I love to reward fast action takers, I love to reward people that take action as see the hot. You understand? So I will be giving those that will be taking action in the next 24 hours. I'll be giving it to them for only 10,000 naira. Only. That's crazy, right? Only 10,000 naira. You won't be paying this. You won't be paying this. You won't be paying 465,000. You pay this in the next 24 hours, or this in the next 1 week. Okay, so if you could be able to take advantage of this, remember everything I've taught you on the free masterclass. I believe you got value. Even that alone is value on its own, and the bonus I gave you, that's the free bonus I gave you, that alone they have value on itself. You can use it to take advantage of the Facebook game. But in this, being part of my community is something else. Is something else. Believe me, you won't regret it. And to even tell you how much I trust my product, how much I trust what I'm rendering, I give it to you 100% guarantee. If peradventure, even if it's in the next 1 month, in the next 1 year, you were like, okay, you didn't get value, I'm tired of this, you can come back and request for refund. I'll pay you back everything. I'll pay you back your money, and even tell you you can also keep every product, everything you have gotten. You can keep them, okay? But this is how much I trust my product. I trust what I'm rendering. Okay, you can keep everything, keep them, and I will also even appreciate you for even coming this far. Okay, so no, that means you have nothing to lose. You have nothing to lose. Just come with me and I'll teach you everything I do on my Facebook advertising and Instagram advertising. So thank you very much for staying to the end of this particular video. I hope to welcome you to my community, and I hope to have you there, not just to talk about advertising, to even interact about something different. I mean, and even maybe meet up one day in the future, or we can even host a meeting together. Thank you very much for staying, and I hope to see you over to the next phase. Cheers.